just hold your hand straight out, but don't curl your fingers like this, okay? Look at, don't do that. You have to do this. Platform. I can move my hands out.
Don't be scared, Logan. Don't be scared. Yes. Good job.
Cute.
Up higher.
Oh my.
Yeah, keep it like that.
Oh, there's two. Oh, great.
I'm
Oh,
at
great.
2 now.
There's 3. Oh, great.
No, there's a lot of them. When they come out, they come out. Now watch.
We need to all get a handful of food.
Isn't it crazy how they just come out of nowhere, Teen? I was feeding it. I was trying to feed a chipmunk, and then a bird landed on me. He just landed on me again?
He just landed on me again.
So, oh no. I missed it.
He's cleaning himself. Comes right in.
Oh my god. How freaking,
He's a double dipper.
how beautiful are these? Like, what?
Oh, that's so cute. You feel it on your hand. You try it.
Yeah, Teen, I'm gonna take a picture of Mom with this.
Feel it on.
Just
Feel
let-
their little hands, Mom.
Take some more.
I'll take some more. I'll do it again.
I'm gonna take some pictures of you guys, because this is like,
Yeah, let me see that.
you don't get closer to nature than that. Just stand under that tree and just be patient. Hold your hands out and... Oh, what did you do here? I want to take a picture.